Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm continued making video at Werkudara Street and look the situation in here. A little bit quiet, but that's okay. I think this is the Sangria Grill restaurant. Looks good, guys. I don't know what inside. Yeah, restaurant ya. Hi guys, if you heading to Werkudara Street, I show you the new restaurant in Werkudara Street, and this is the menu. You need to try to come to this restaurant in Werkudara Street, close to the Arjuna Street. And this is the boss and the staff. It's really friendly, and look at that Legian Corner. Iya Pak, bener Pak? Legian Corner. Yes, Legian Corner. Sama yang di depan Pak. Oh, this is the new Legian Corner. Similar like in the front, guys. This is. Okay. Terima kasih Pak ya. Okay guys. And some shop in here and tattoo and massage also guys. Ananta Legian Hotel here. Maybe you wanna stay here. This looks good. The hotel, and here is JB Ing Tattoo Studio, guys. JB Ing Astagina. We have come to this villa last month, and this is the Kumala Hotel in Werkudara. One day I wanna come to here to show you how to look like the hotel, guys. Hotel Kumala that I start to reopen again. And now I wanna keep walking to along this street, guys, to show you how you can see in this street. And this is the Puri Dua Boutique and Losmen, guys. This is like my $90 dress. Oh. In this street is a lot of shop open already, because this street is shortcut if you wanna go to Legian from Seminyak. And in this street also you can find like Hotel Kumala Pantai and Jakarta, but in here look darker, guys, but that's okay. In night time still many people walking, guys, and a lot of vehicle passing this street. And this is at my front now is Hotel Kumala Pantai. That, and this is Sus Cottage. Sus Cottage is like homestay accommodation, guys. Yes. And Villa Mimpi over there. And this is Kumala Pantai Hotel. Look at that. It's good hotel, guys. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna keep walking to along Werkudara Street. What do you think about this street, guys? Looks good, no? Can comment in below. Wow, you're driving really fast. That's no good. And now I'm at the opposite of Jakarta Hotel, guys. And you can see in here is bit crowded, Is Jayakarta? Wow. Look at that, guys. This is Sendok Mas. Sendok Mas restaurant. Oh. Sendok Mas restaurant is really good. Always getting busy, guys. This is the menu. Look at that, guys. The attraction still not ready yet. This is Jane bar and kitchen. This money chain 9,500 is good one in the Werkudara street. And now start raining, guys. No good for me because I don't bring a raincoat. And this Yanti bar and restaurant. Yanti bar and restaurant look. Yanti bar and restaurant, guys. Please coming to here. Look at that. Wow, look crowded. Yeah. Tami official.
Kami
TAMY official. Ya. Ya, ya. Saya bantu. View Australia. Ya. Ya. Hey guys. Did you guy spa over there? And that is Parma restaurant, isn't it? No, that is restoran apa nih? Apa nama restorannya? Huh? Oh, Sawaseka restaurant in Wekudara Street. Wekudara kan?
Yeah.
Wekudara Street, guys. Looks good. If you are heading to Bali and stay in a Legian, you need to check this restaurant. This is the staff. Look beautiful and friendly. This is close to the Yanti restaurant. Yeah, you need to check this restaurant, guys. Looks good. And okay, thank you, guys. I have you to promotion on my YouTube, okay? Thank you. Bye. I want. Have a good night. And this is tropical spa. Mau promo? Ya, mau promoin ini spanya. Mau. This is apa nama spanya ini? Tropical spa at Wekudara, guys. Is wanna try to spa. Ya, ngomong dah. You talk. This is the the boss. Hi. Please coming to Tropical Spa and Salon in Werkudara Street. In this the staff in the Tropical Spa. You can check the price. Mana harganya? Oh, this is the price, guys. Very cheap, and the staff is so friendly. You need to check and have a look in this spa, guys. Oke, makasih ya. Saya bantu promoin ya. Oke, makasih. Bye. This is Parma Palace bar and grill in isi satu ano ya video ya, nggak apa-apa ya. This is Parma Palace in Werkudara Street, guys. You need to check this restaurant. A lot of Aussie come to the. I know that because this restaurant is really famous to Australian people. Ya benar ya, banyak Australia di sini. Ya, you need to check. This is the price. This I think it's cheap and yeah. Okay guys, makasih Pak ya. Okay, now I'm going to show you what another restaurant in this street, guys. Look at that. This is chapter 2. Chapter 2 looks crowded right now. Bloody hell. I wanna come there, guys. Hang on. I wanna cross the street. This is chapter 2 at Werkudara Street. Wow, amazing. And there's sugar rice at Werkudara. And this is the Hotel Kusnadi. I remember this hotel. I meet with my friend Ozzy, Jenny. I meet in this hotel, guys. Yeah, this is sugar rice. And there is a restaurant. Along this street, still a lot of shop, guys. And what is this in here, guys? This Monster Ink Tattoo Studio, like tattoo shop. And this is the Baleka Hotel and Resort. Baleka, look at that. And in here is still a few hotel like Bali Court Hotel and Apartment. Over there, guys. I want to say thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to help my channel, to subscribe and share if you can. And this is money chain also. Sorry, this is money chain, and 450, a bit low than before, guys. Another money chain, it close to the sendok mas is 9,500 rupiah. It's a bit better. And okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share. See you on the next video, guys, and bye bye.